Good morning, dear students. Welcome to today's class. Today we will learn about comparison of adjectives. In our last class we learned about the meaning of adjective, which describes the noun. An adjective is a word which describes the noun. For example, Radha is a good girl. Here Radha is a noun. Okay, Radha is a noun. We are telling a sentence, Radha is a good girl. So we are describing Radha. She is a good girl. So what is their adjective? Good. So if Radha is a noun, what is describing Radha? Good. So here an adjective is a word which describes the noun we have learnt in our last class. Today we will learn about comparison of adjectives. Comparison of adjectives. See here, there is, now as we learned, Radha is a good girl. Okay, so here more than Radha, one more girl is also a good. Shilpa is good. Okay, I can't tell Radha is good, Shilpa is good. There are more, they are more in numbers, they have scored good. So Radha is little bit lower, Shilpa is little bit good in her work. So I have to compare them. Okay, I can't tell at once only she is also good, she is also good. Then what is the means of to whom shall I give first, to whom shall I give second? Okay, here I have to compare these girls. Radha is good, Shilpa is good. It means both are equal. Here I am not comparing them. Both are in equal place. But I have to compare because Radha is little bit low and Shilpa is little bit, still she is more better. So how I am going to compare? So Radha is good but Shilpa is better. Okay, so here by adding better I am going to compare Radha and Shilpa. So the things are there, many things are there, many things we can compare. See here, for example, the man is tall, the coconut tree is tall, the building is tall. You can see in your textbook, the man is tall, the coconut tree is tall, the building is tall. But at once I can't tell them building is tall, man is tall and the coconut tree is tall. So what will be the difference between them? There will be nothing. At once I have said that everything is big. But you can see the man is little bit tall. Coconut tree is still little bit big. And more than that, the building is still more tall. There is difference, right? Man, there is difference. Coconut tree, there is difference. And the building, it is more. So how I have to compare? Here I have to add few more words. I can't tell man is tall, building is tall, coconut tree is tall. Here I have to compare them. So for this we are adding a particular comparison adjective words. So what are that words? See here, the man is tall, the coconut tree is also tall, the building is tall. But they are all of same height? No. They are all same height? No. See, by saying only we can tell the man is little bit height, the coconut tree is still little more height and the building is still more big height. Then how do we show the difference among the three? I can't show the difference. If I speak at once, they are tall. I am not any kind of discrimination only. It's been not made between these three things. The person, the tree and the building. So what we are going to do is, the man is tall, the coconut tree is taller. What we have added? ER, taller. For the man, tall, coconut tree taller and the building tallest. So now we have compared these three things according to their height. As I gave an example regarding Radha and Shilpa, there I have compared them regarding their marks. Radha has scored good marks, but Shilpa has scored still more marks. So Radha is good, Shilpa is better. Still one more girl, if she does still good, she is the best. Good, better, best. Like that we have compared the students. If in your class example, a boy has taken 90%, 95%, 99%. I can't tell only one good, the same comment which I have given to a 90% student, I can't give the same comment, same remark to the boy who has scored 99, right? Because 99 is very good marks comparing to 90. So what I will do, the boy who has scored 90, you are a good boy. The boy who has scored 95, you are better. The boy who has scored 99, I give him a remark as best. Okay, this is the difference, how we are going to differentiate. So here the person is tall, the coconut tree is taller, and the building is tallest. So here we are going to compare, we are going to divide according to their height. So adjectives, comparison of adjectives it is describing the noun. How do we compare? By adding er and est. For tall, tall, we have added er, er, taller, and we have changed it as a taller, and we have compared. Again for tallest, est, we have added behind, we have changed the taller, tallest, we have changed the adjectives. So next you have the blanks where you have to fill according to the words in page number 47. Soft, softer, softest. Something which is very soft. Another thing which is still little bit soft. Still one more thing which is totally out of the world. It is too soft. I can't tell only one word for that it is soft. When you go to the cloth shop, the person who sells a cloth, he will give you some different types of cloth. He show you many type of cloth. One will be little soft, one more will be little good, it will be still smooth, and one more will be out of the world, it will be very smooth. You can fold in just a make a bunch. So what you will tell? You can't tell everything okay good. There will be certain different comment. You have to compare it in a different way. So how you are going? Soft. This is soft. Oh, this is softer. Okay, comparing to that which you have showed me before, it is little bit softer. And the one more last which you have showed, it is the softest. Very good. It is very good. So here we are going to compare the things according to the words. So high, higher, highest. Something it is high till here. One more mountain, maybe we'll take a mountain as an example. High, higher. It is little bit high. I can't tell the same height to that also. Okay, I can't compare first standard boy to 9th standard boy. His height is different. His height is different. High, higher, highest. Okay, some mountains will be very long, some boys will be very long. So here we are comparing the adjectives. How means by adding er and est. Kind, kinder, kindest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Long, longer, longest. Short, shorter, shortest. Very short. Something will be a little bit short. In your class only you can see one of your friends will be not to your height. Okay, if you are this much height, there will be little bit less in your height, and still you can see another friend, he will be still small. So short, shorter, shortest. So these are the three types where we are going to compare. Warm, warm, warmer, warmest. Cold, colder, coldest. When you feel severe cold, intolerable cold, coldest. Cold, okay, I can adjust. Colder, okay, somewhat I can wear a blanket or a shawl, I can put a sweater, I can adjust. Coldest, oh it is, I can't adjust only. Coldest, the last thing, coldest. Sharp, sharper, sharpest. See, pencil is sharp, just poke on your hand, okay, fine, you can adjust. It won't go inside your hand and it don't bring blood anything. You take knife, it will be little sharper, little bit risk is there. But when you take something, needle, injection, just put, it will go inside your hand and blood comes out. It is the sharpest. So sharp, sharper, sharpest. We can't consider the sharpness of injection to the needle, but we say it is sharp. Okay, but we can't compare. The sharpness of knife and the sharpness of needle are totally different. Here we have compared the sharpness of pencil, sharpness of a knife and sharpness of a needle. Next, hard, harder, hardest. The boy who has scored 80 marks, maybe he has worked hard little. Okay, you have worked hard well. The boy who has scored 90, oh harder, he has worked very harder. The boy who has scored 99, he is the hardest. Oh, you have worked a very lot. So these are the comparison. Low, lower, lowest. Dark, darker, darkest. Neat, neater, neatest. Here we have add ER and EST to these words. So for example, now again you have few examples where they have given, you asked you to add ER and EST. Wet, wetter, wettest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Hot. See, now when you bring a water, it will be hot. You can drink. When you go for a bath, the water which you have consumed for a bath, it is hotter. That also you can. Hottest, the most hot thing. When you touch a vessel, when you take some rice, what happen? It will be the hottest. You can't just put a finger on that. So it is hottest. But the hot is the same thing. We consider the water which we are going to drink hot, the water which we are going to take for a bath hot, but the water, the rice or something, the sambar, what is there, it is the hottest. So I can't consider the three things also. So here we are comparing. Fat, fatter, fattest. Red, redder, reddest. Flat, flatter, flattest. Sad, sadder, saddest. So fat, fatter, fattest. Red, redder, reddest. Flat, flatter, flattest. Sad, sadder, saddest. So the next thing which we are going to compare now is by taking out Y and adding IER and IEST. See, in our singular and plural class, we learnt that for the word which is going to end with Y, C-I-T-Y, city, we are taking out Y and we are adding IES, C-I-T-I-E-S, cities. City, cities, singular, plural. What we have taken out? Y and we have added IES. So here also for the comparison, we take out Y and we add IER and IEST. Because we are comparing it. So we are taking out Y and we are adding IER and IEST. Here the images are being given and the options are given where you have to select the correct option. An aeroplane is fast, faster, fastest than a car. So what you are going to consider? The aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. See, a train is there, bus is there. When you go in a car on the way, the bus which is moving beside you, it will go fast. Okay, then it will go faster than you. The car is fast. The bus which went beside you, it is faster. But you compare the plane which is moving on in the sky, how it will, within 1 second it will move off. So it is the fastest. So here we are going to write fastest. An aeroplane is fastest than a car. An aeroplane is fastest than a car. Next you have elephant. An elephant is the larger animal. So here you can see their cows are there, but the elephant is the largest animal. Okay, comparing to the lion, the elephant is more big, so we have going to take largest. The bulb is brightest than the candle. So the bulb which is glowing here, it is little bit brighter, because comparing to the other bulbs which we see in the marriage party halls and all, you can see there will be more lighting. They are called brightest. Okay, here the bulb is brighter than the candle. When you take a candle, it will light a little. It will glow, but it will be light. It will be giving brightness only little, but here it will be more. So the bulb is brighter, tick brighter. Vivek is strong, stronger, strongest man. So Vivek is a strong. Here they had not given any kind of other word. So we are just considering him as a strong. Because there are other image, if they would have given, we would have compared. But here no images is there. Just write down Vivek is a strong man. Rat are small, smaller, smallest than cat. Rat or mice you can take are small, smaller. They are smaller smaller. Still maybe small are there, ants, insects, these are all the smallest. So here we will compare it as a smaller. Next, in adjectives you have three types which you have to learn. There are superlative, comparative and the positive. The three types of adjectives: positive, comparative and superlative. So before that you have few more words where you have to add IER and IEST. Happy, happier, happiest. Angry, angrier, angriest. You have to take out Y and add IER and IEST. Don't forget to take out IER and IEST by taking Y. You have to take out the last letter Y. Happy, angry, lazy. You have to take out Y and add IER. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Next you have thick, thicker, thickest. See, by seeing the images you have to describe the words. See, the book is little bit thick. It is also called thick, but the one more book which is given, it is still more thick. The one more book which is given, still it is very thickest. So thick, thicker, thickest. We are describing the nouns. Next you have giraffe. One is little tall. One is one more. One is still the last. Tall, taller, tallest. Old, some are old, still old. Above 99 they are oldest. So old, older, oldest. Big, bigger, biggest. In elephants also you can see one will be little big, one will be more big, one will be extra large. Okay, big, bigger, biggest. Next, small, smaller, smallest. You can see the rats moving here, and one will be little small, one will be still small, one will be baby, very small, small, smaller, smallest. Young, younger, youngest. If you have three sisters in your home, the younger, the one which is back to you is called young, one more younger, youngest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Now we have positive and comparative, superlative degrees. The positive which tells us the positive attitude of a noun. Comparative, we are going to compare the nouns. Superlative. These definitions you will be getting in the next class, but you can complete this table. Noise, noisier, noisiest. Thick, thicker, thickest. Clean, cleaner, cleanest. Young, younger, youngest. Clumsy, clumsier, clumsiest. These are the three types of adjectives: positive, comparative and superlative. By this you can complete your textbook. In the next class we will learn about positive, comparative and superlative adjectives. Okay children, thank you, take care.